want to go snowboarding with Gareth, so.
That's a very funny bit of hair. Look, it's almost dark and I haven't vlogged today. So I'm just going to have to tell you what we've done. I have done a tubular bind off on, I don't know how many stitches on my neck of my sweater, and it took me a lot of swearing. And I was short-tempered. And it was bloody cold in the chalet because the heating's gone a bit funny. It's all right now, it's fixed. But we couldn't get the fire going, or at least we could get it going, but we couldn't get it to stay on. And that really got on my TITS's, didn't it, Granny? And Granny was, there's Granny. Granny was crabby because it's cold downstairs, and Teddy's crabby because I've been nagging him. There is food, yes. Oh, Ted's just asked if there's food, and I said yes there is, and look what he's got his eye on. I fancy them too. And then what did we do then? Then we went to the supermarket. Bill came with us. He's not here. Where's he gone? And then we came back and then I've just taken Popper up to get his skis serviced and get some stuff from the pharmacy for Toby. Oh God, so disgusting.
What was it made?
Teenage boys.
Was it your mother?
Got some stuff for a très mal de gorge. What was it? Gourd. Yeah, gorge. Gorge. Gourd. Ow! I never remember.
I feel like I've got my own now.
I need Graham and Pauline here with me. They can help me.
Bread and jam.
Yeah, have some bread and jam.
What's dinner?
And now I'm cooking lasagna.
Ooh, lush.
Nice. So that's it. I'll show you my knitting in a minute. Ooh, light.
Show you a nice clean teeth. That is.
It's lovely, isn't it?
That is nice.
And Granny's just having a glass of Apremont Van de Savoy. Local wine. Here's the highlight of Christmas now, Granny. These are really easy matches. You shouldn't have a problem. Honestly, Bill. Oh, look at this. She's done it!
You
Wait,
don't comment on your own post on TikTok.
what happened?
Honestly,
What happened, Granny?
went up on
You happened. God, here we go.
Mum,
Go. I'm not doing it.
Mum,
Go away.
Mum, can you?
Go now.
Mum. Mum, I'm trying to talk to you.
She's done it.
Mum.
What, Bill?
Guess how many followers are on TikTok?
How many?
886.
Good grief. Granny, what are you doing now? You panicking?
Yeah.
What button's it
Bloody
on?
mental. Right.
Very good.
Any more?
Well, there's one. Oh, you've done that one. No, that's it.
Yeah, I got
I've cracked it.
Oh, dear, Granny.
You tricked the matches when I couldn't do it, I'm sure.
No, it didn't. It was just you. You've just practiced. Oh, no, it looks burnt in the film.
No, it's not.
I know, but in the film it looks burnt. Oh, it's weird how the camera
Ted,
goes. Oh, it is heaving. I just saw it go up.
supper.
It's dinner time.
Dinner time.
Cool.
Are you having yours up there, Bill?
Yeah.
Right, there's a knife and
Has he got a
fork.
plate?
I should have let it sit for a bit.
Right, let's
Oh
do
no,
Bill.
he died.
Bill, off your phone.
Not on my phone.
Ted, did something beep over your way?
Was it the dishwasher?
Your stomach?
Oh, lasagna.
Ted's on his second meal.
Right.
we're sitting here feeling a little bit first world problems, frustrated because couldn't sort the fire out today because it was Bluetooth and remote control and technology and it wouldn't work, and we're a bit frustrated because we can't get the downstairs towel rails working because the timer in the electric box isn't working, so that's frustrating. We now can't you can't get into Netflix or Amazon Prime on the smart TV. Nothing is available, and so we tried to do screen mirroring, and my iPad was talking to the TV and my TV was talking to the iPad, but they wouldn't share. Just technology just does my head in. Does anybody else have issues with technology where it should be so easy? It should be so easy. I can't talk. There's too much going on. I want to be involved in that. So I'm going now. See you later. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Talk to you about my knitting tomorrow.